My name is Mike Strand from Easy Living with Technology. We're a tight group of people that love technology. We become experts in our fields of security systems, cameras, remote control of your home and your temperature from little smart apps on your phones. Certainly home theaters, we do an incredible design and installation of home theater systems that really set your house apart and make it fun again to watch movies and sporting events. We have a great group of people that set us apart from our competition. Our group of people have been with us for a minimum of 9 years, some of them at 12 and 16 years. I have a great staff. Everybody loves what they do. We feel honored that our clients repetitively hire us in their homes here and their homes abroad and throughout the United States. And we don't make our clients the guinea pigs. We buy these systems, we install them in our own showroom, in our own homes, before we offer them to our clients. I think people appreciate our knowledge and our expertise. After all of these products and Easy Living, motorized window treatments and theaters and remote controls and temperature, all that stuff requires a great deal of experience to truly make it work correctly. You can't just buy this remote and pull it out of the box and poof, it's customized for your home. It really takes a good level of experience and programming and knowing what not to do as well as what to do. So thanks for your time, and we look forward to working with you and to make your home easy living. Thanks very much.